Hey, today, really special. We're going to be hearing from these professional dancers at Ballet Palm Beach, so please stay tuned. Hi, Cheryl Ale here, the founding director of RPM, Revolutionary Principles of Movement. I'm here to teach dancers and teachers to be the best that you can be. It really is ballet for everybody, everybody. Need your hip stretched? Well, one of our professionals will share her tips, so stick around, would you please?
Today, I'll be showing you my 3 go-to hip stretches for tight hips. So the first one, we're gonna go down to the floor in a lunge. Now, you want your leg, the back leg, to be down. Don't go like this. Don't put it up just yet because you want to focus on the hip. And then you're gonna put both of your hands on the front leg and you're gonna slowly stretch forward and you're gonna feel a nice pull on your hip muscle, the front hip muscle. And you just breathe and hold. And you can hold however long you want to and repeat to the other side. The second stretch I was recently taught this year, and so you're going to take this leg out, make sure it's not tucked too far behind you because then you won't feel the stretch in your hip, you'll feel it in your thigh. So you're gonna go down to the floor and then you're gonna take your other leg and place the foot on top of the knee so that it pushes down the knee, and it's okay if your back's not on the floor because it's, again, a stretch for your hips. And then you're just gonna hold and breathe, and again, repeat to the other side and hold as long as you need. My last stretch is going to be the pigeon stretch. So you're gonna take your leg in front, and it's gonna be parallel to your knee. That's what you're aiming for, but you don't have to if you're tight there. It can be closer to you, but this is what we're aiming for. And then the back of your leg is gonna be straight behind you. And now you're just gonna square your hips, and you can hold it sitting up, but for a deeper stretch, you're gonna go forward and breathe and hold. Again, repeat to the other side and hold as needed. An extra tip is to use a tennis ball to roll out the muscles. You can use it on the front, using the floor, or the back, anywhere needed.
If this is your first time to this channel, we'd love to hear from you. Please subscribe. Also, go check out CherylAle.com. This channel is all about helping dancers dance better and teachers teach better. And remember, hit that subscribe button.